Hey guys, welcome back to the channel today. I appreciate all of you. Thank you. Give me a like, give me a subscribe if this is the kind of stuff you want to see. I insist. So I just want to say thank you for all my viewers who have been giving me great feedback. I really appreciate you. I want to keep coming at you with some great videos. We're going to move fast today as usual. So first we're going to jump right into it. The coin we're going to be talking about today is called Infinite DIVS and why you should pay attention to Infinite DIVS and do your own research, and maybe you want to join along, maybe you want to get in. That's up to you, but I'm going to give you some information. So when you go to PancakeSwap, if you're a newbie to BSC Smart Chain or DeFi in general, you're going to want to get your wallet, get your BSC wallet. Okay, the BSC blockchain runs on BNB, and when you want to select a currency to trade, you click this. Okay, but if it's they got a lot of the central currencies, a lot of the ones that have already been launched, or if you're awaiting a launch, okay, you need to pay attention because I'm going to show you how to find a token. Basically, you need that token address. So right here, there's tons of tokens to pick from, and you can search the name or paste the address. So I'm going to talk to you about how to paste the address. Right here, we have Infinite DIVS. This is Infinite DIVS smart contract is on BSC scan. We can see how much of the tokens are up for grabs. This has not been launched yet. Okay, it's launching at 6 p.m. Central, 6 p.m. Central America time, 11 p.m. London time. Keep that in mind. I'm really interested in this token. I'm really interested, and I'm going to be following this token, and I just want to bring you guys along for the ride, because why not? There's no reason why I wouldn't do that. You guys are my dudes. So you're going to come over here to the contract address, copy this address, and a lot of you already know this maybe, but for anybody new, this is really important, because you want to make sure that you get the right address. Okay, now how do you find this on BSC scan, you say? Well, you can search, search there, but I've got it from the website. There's a link in the description for the website, Telegram, Twitter accounts. You want to follow. Each one of these tokens has different devs, different groups. You want to follow them. If you're in it, you want to follow it, or if you're just interested. You want to be following along with these things, checking it every day, making sure that you know what your money's doing, what the programs are doing. If you got money in it, you just want to keep up with that stuff. So you find the BSC scan address, get this contract address, paste it right here, enter, boom, right here, ID. So there's no icon or anything right here. It's because it's not launched yet, but it is going to be launched soon. So when it's launched, hopefully, when you guys see this video, it'll probably have already been launched. That's okay. Check the price, do your research, see if you want to get in this, because I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this. Is a highly volatile, high octane token, and I'm really interested in it. Deflationary tokens are tokens that let me show you here. ID is a deflationary token, frictionless high yield token with new and explosive RFI based tokenomics. Maybe that doesn't mean anything to you. Okay, so basically what happens is every time people interact with this coin, buying or selling, there is a 15% fee on the coin to each transaction, and they're instantly split. Some are rewards and dividends among current token holders. That means that if you buy this token and you hold this token in your wallet, okay, every time a person buys or sells this token, 10% of that transaction is distributed to everyone holding that token. Those are powerful APRs, those powerful dividends, and then accordingly, 5% of that transaction is burned. So 10% gets split between holders and 5% is burned, which makes it a deflationary token. That means inflation means that each token is worth less. Deflation means that over time, each token is, in theory, worth more. So not only are you getting tokens, it's like double compounding. Not only are you getting more tokens when someone buys or sells, you are getting the deflationary aspect of each of those tokens, which means that those tokens should theoretically rise in value 5%, okay, every time there's a transaction. So you're getting some tokens, and the value of those tokens is increasing as well. That is double compounding, very powerful. I'm really interested in this token. I'm going to be following it for you guys. If you guys are in it, great. If you're not, well, no one's in it right now because it hasn't launched yet. But you know, as we do these videos and follow this, I'm really interested in this token. So I'm just going to be keeping up with it and including you guys in this journey. So that's just really exciting. Those are really exciting tokenomics. It's a very fast. These things will happen fast. So as people start buying and selling, and you know, with that double compounding, see, it's like double on double, because when you get that double compounding tokenomics, we call it. What happens is that the demand for that token, because you're getting more tokens as you hold them and they're increasing in value, that's powerful. And so that's a driving force for people getting in. People want to get into these types of contracts because they want a piece of that action. Well, that jumps the liquidity up. I mean, that makes the demand for the tokens, so that increases the value even more. So it's like really powerful. Just like they said, it's a very aggressive burn rate, but the rewards for that are incredible too. And so this is just what this token is doing. And I want to be brief with this. Okay, another thing that's really important is the liquidity is locked, which means people can't bail. They can't pull out their liquidity once you buy the tokens. You know, they deposit it in liquidity and you can't take it out. So that means that you're not going to have any rug pulls that way. You know, nobody wants any of that stuff. No team funds. So 1% of the total supply will be allocated for the development of the project, not necessarily to like individuals that want to dump it on us all. Okay, so 99% will be locked together with the BNB. So you can go to this website and you can read this. You know, you can check this out. You can read it. You can get the contract address. Get ready. I have my position ready. Whatever I'm gonna put in. If you know, this is assuming that nothing collapses or changes. This is DeFi. Things can collapse. They can change. They can change really quick. So, but right now, I got a position ready to engage with this development, this project, and it all checks out. It's looking good up to this moment. So I hope you guys join me along this journey. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Follow me along. Talk to you later, guys. Make good decisions.